Good evening, everybody. Today we will discuss what is English, why we study English, what is the importance of English, why English is so much important throughout the world, throughout our country. We all know that English is a language which is spoken throughout the globe. Why? Because it is very easy to communicate. It is regarded as the world language or global language. Why it is regarded as global language? Because it is accepted globally. In the other hand, we can say it as a lingua franca. What is the meaning of lingua franca? Lingua franca means a common language. The language which is common between two people who speak different languages. And when we trace back the history of English language, then we will get that English language developed from West Germanic dialects, which was spoken by Germanic tribes known as Angles, Saxon, and Jutes. What is English? English is a tribal language of West Germanic tribe. The three tribes of West Germany, they use English as the medium of their communication. These three tribes were English, Saxon, and Jutes. The word English literally means the land of the English. They spoke English. And from the word English, the word derive English and England. When these three tribes, Angles, Saxon, and Jutes, they invade Britain, they invade English people. That time they spread their own language, that is English. When we trace back to the history of English language, then we get that the history of English language is mainly divided into three periods, usually called Old English period, or Old English period is known as Anglo-Saxon period, when Angles and Saxon, they invade Britain in the year 450 AD. From that time, the English language comes to an existence, and that is called Old English period, that lasts from 450 AD to 1100 AD. Next, we'll get Middle English period, that is from 1100 AD to 1500 AD. Next, we will get Modern English period, which starts from 1500 AD to present. Further, that Modern English period is divided into two categories. One is Early Modern English period, that was from 1500 AD to 1800 AD. Next one is Late Modern English period, that was from 1800 century to 1800 AD to present time. This is the broadly division of English language. That broad division is divided into three categories. First one is Old English, that is also called Anglo-Saxon period, 450 to 1100. Middle English period 1100 to 1500 AD. Third one is Modern English period 1500 to present. That is subdivided into two categories: early modern English period and late modern English period. This is the normal history of English language. Then come language. What is language? Language is a medium of communication. It is very good and super or best medium of communication. What is communication? Communication means we communicate, we share our feelings, emotions, thought, thinking to other. It is known as communication. जोड़ाको आमे जोगाजोग बोली कहू. And English is a language. It is also a very easy language for us, and it is accepted globally because of its simplicity. I have told you that English is regarded as lingua franca. That means common language. Why English is regarded as a common language? It is because when we go to abroad or foreign country, we are completely ignorant about their culture, their languages, etc. We will get one language that is very useful to us, that is only English. Take an example that if we go to Japan, we are ignorant about Japanese language. In which language we communicate? At that time, English language helps us to communicate. If you go to African country, if you go to American country, if you go to Australia, then how can you communicate? Only English. Another example, if you go to the other parts of India, take an example, South India. If you go to Kerala, if you go to Telangana, can you speak Malayalam? Can you have the fluency of Telugu? If you go to northeast region, can you speak Assamese? No, never. We have no command over other languages which is spoken in the other part of the globe and which is spoken in the other state of our country. That time we can take help of a language that is very easy for us as well as the other people. That is English. That's why English is known as lingua franca. Then come to the point, what is language? Language is the best medium of communication. Through language, we can communicate, we can share our feelings, emotions and thoughts to others. Language is not only the medium of communication. There are other mediums also, like posture, gesture, symbols, etc. Among them, language is the best medium of communication. And in the other hand, we can say that language is a trace of our thought, our thinking process. Language is a trace of our thought, our thinking process. Another interesting thing I will tell you that language, the scientific study of language is called what? Linguistics. The scientific study of language is called linguistics. If we focus on the statistics of language, then we will get that there are roughly 6,500 spoken languages in the world today. Approximately, more or less, 6,500 500 languages throughout the world are spoken today. However, about 2000 languages have fewer than 1000 speakers. That means near about 4500 languages are. That means nearly 4500 languages have the strengthy speakers throughout the world. If we focus on the language statistic of our country, then we come to know that there are 22 official languages in India, and we have 122 mother tongues. We have 122 mother tongues in our country according to 2001 census, and 1599 other languages and dialects. That means Ancholika Bhasha, dialects. Among 122 major languages, 22 languages are regarded as official language of India, and that 22 languages are written in 13 different scripts with over 720 dialects. In our country, India, widely used official languages are English and Hindi. What are these 22 languages, official languages? Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. These are the 22 official languages of our country. Hindi is the most commonly spoken languages in India today. Most commonly spoken. The maximum people, they use Hindi in our country as the medium of communication. Or in the other hand, we can say that Hindi is a lingua franca in India. That means Hindi is a common language in India. Bengali is the second most spoken and understood language in the country, India. First Hindi, second Bengali. And it is another interesting fact that Persian language was the court language or official language during the Mughal period in India. Mughal mane ତାଙ୍କ ସମୟରେ ପର୍ସିଆନ୍ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆଣ୍ଡ ତାଙ୍କର ଅଫିସିଆଲ ୱାର୍କ ପାଇଁ। ଯଦି ପରସେଣ୍ଟେଜ ହିସାବରେ ଆମେ ନେବା ତ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ସ୍ପିକର ହିନ୍ଦୀର ଆମେ ପାଇବା ନିୟର ଅବାଉଟ୍ 43% native speakers. They speak Hindi as their first language. And Odia language speaker, जो व्यक्ति माने ओडिया लैंग्वेज को फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज हिसाब से यूज करछंती सेमानकर परसेंटाइल नियर अबाउट 3.20 or we can say that near about 4% of our total population of our country, they are speaking Odia as the first language according to 2011 census. language, it is the most important thing. It is the most necessary thing for human being to communicate, to share their thoughts and feelings, etc. Top 10 languages with the most native speaker in the world. 10ଟି ଭାଷା ଯୋଉଟାକି ନେଟିଭ୍ ସ୍ପିକର ମିନ୍ସ ସେଇ ଦେଶରେ ବସବାସ କରୁଥିବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବିଶେଷ ମାନେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଥିବା ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରୁ ଟପ୍ 10ରେ ଯେଉଁ ଭାଷା ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆସେ ମାଣ୍ଡାରିନ୍ ଚାଇନିଜ୍. ମାଣ୍ଡାରିନ୍ ଭାଷା ବେସିକାଲି ଚାଇନିଜ୍, ରଷିଆ, ଜାପାନ ଏଇସବୁ ଇଲାକାରେ ଏଇସବୁ ଏରିଆରେ यूज करा जाए. ओके, तो मैंडारिन चाइनीज फर्स्ट रे आसे अकॉर्डिंग टू नेटिव स्पीकर हिसाब रे मुझे नवा. एंड सेकेंड स्पेनिश लैंग्वेज, थर्ड इंग्लिश, देन हिंदी, फिफ्थ रे अरबिक, सिक्स्थ रे बंगाली, 7 पोर्तुगीज, 8 रशियन, 9 जापानीज, 10 Western Punjabi language. This is according to most native speaker in the world. And when we discuss all about top 20 languages with the most speaker in the world, 20ଟି ଭାଷା जोटा कि बहुଳ ଭାବରେ विश्वरे प्रचलित हुए, विश्वरे व्यवहार रे आसे. फर्स्ट कम्स एज यूजुअल इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश इज स्पोकन by the maximum number of speakers throughout the world. First English, second Mandarin Chinese, third Hindi, fourth Spanish, fifth French, sixth Arabic, seventh Bengali, eighth Russian, ninth Portuguese, 10th Indonesian, 11th Urdu, 12th Standard German, 13th Japanese, 14th Swahili, 15th Marathi, 16th Telugu, 17th Turkish, 18th Chinese, 19th Tamil, 20 Western Punjabi. This is the statistical data of top 20 languages with the most speaker in the world. English stands in the first position. The language English has a family. English language comes under Indo-European family of languages. The family, language has the family. English comes from Indo-European language family. Indo-European language family is broadly divided into 8 categories. The first category is Sanskrit. Sanskrit. From that language, all the other languages of India derive. And one thing I would like to tell you that Sanskrit is one of the primitive language of the earth. Sanskrit विश्वर सर्व पुरातन भाषा मानक मध्य गोटे भाषा. The Indo-European family of language is broadly divided into 8 groups or 8 categories. First is Sanskrit, second Armenian, third Greek, fourth Albanian, fifth Italic, sixth Balto-Slavic, seventh Primitive Germanic, 8 Celtic. तो 7th जो प्रिमिटिव जर्मानिक अच्छी से प्रिमिटिव जर्मानिक भाषारू उत्पत्ति ही वेस्ट जर्मानिक लैंग्वेज. वेस्ट जर्मानिक लैंग्वेज जोटा कि ट्राइब मानक द्वारा वेस्ट जर्मानिक ट्राइब मानक द्वारा व्यवहृत होतला. एंग्लो सैक्सन मानक द्वारा एंग्लेस सैक्सन एंड ज्यूट्स मानक द्वारा जो मानक ठारू इंग्लिश ही व्यापी छे वेस्ट जर्मनिक भाषा एंग्लो सैक्सन लैंग्वेज और ओल्ड इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज देन मिडिल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज देन मॉडर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जोटा कि आमे वर्तमान व्यवहार करूछु. This is all about the language. Then comes to the importance of English. Why we speak in English, why we give most importance to English, why English is so much important language throughout the globe. Nowadays, English language is used in various sectors, that is educational sector, medical sector, IT sector, service sector, communication sector, BPO sector, every sector there is an excess of English. I would like to ask you a question. Can you imagine your life without English? Can anyone imagine your life without English? No. Nowadays, English became our most necessary, like breathing. In each and every sentence of our speaking, though that may be in our regional language, though that may be in our mother tongue, we use some phrases, some words of English. आमे ओडिया रे कथा हला बेले निज आंचलिक भाषा रे कथा हला बेले निज डायलेक्ट रे कथा हला बेले निश्चित भाव निजर मातृभाषा रे कथा हला बेले निश्चित भाव इंग्राजी रो किछि ना किछि शब्द को वाक्य को व्यवहार करिथाओ. When we put our signature, we sign in English language. That means knowingly or unknowingly, English became our necessity. We breathe English, we talk English, we think English, English, English and English. Thank you for today.